YBAngry fans, here is another. Should she initiate sex more often? This is the YBAngry channel where we show couples how to stay together one issue at a time. No fuss, no drama. It's just a game. This week's episode.
Should she initiate sex more often?
My name is Rod Jeter and here we go. Who's going to be player A and who's going to be player B for the entire game?
I'll be A.
Both players will use the This One detail cards to write down all the details to support their position on this issue. Only fill in sections 1, 2, and 3. Use as many cards as needed.
Frustrated. And I don't understand some of the things you do. I can't comprehend. I tell you the truth, I'm trying hard as I can. I'm so confused while we keep arguing.
So the detail is lack of arousal, because I feel like I'm pushing or begging for us to do it, to have sex.
And how relevant is it?
It's a 10.
So you're saying that you feel like you have to force me if you have to initiate. Is that right?
Yes.
That's what you're saying?
Yes, that's what I'm saying.
This detail is or is not true?
I say is not.
Okay, so you circle is not. As you can imagine, it's hard for a couple to settle an issue when they don't agree on the facts, right? The other thing is, what was the detail?
My detail?
Yes.
I feel like I'm begging or pushing if she don't want to initiate.
Okay, so Jennifer, you said that's not true. Are you saying he doesn't feel like that?
No, because I really don't know how he feels.
But he told you how he feels.
Mm-hmm.
So that's true. Whether he's right or wrong, it's true that he feels that way, right?
Yes.
So when you're having a discussion...
But when he initiates, I follow through.
No, wait.
Okay.
So you have to validate his feelings. That'll help you guys resolve the issue. So... You're wrong to say it's not true, because it's true. He feels that.
Because that's how he feels.
Yes. You can't really argue about how he feels.
Okay.
Okay. How relevant is it to you that he feels that way? Now that we know it's true that he feels that way. You wrote a 10 and he wrote a 10. You guys are on the same page here.
I didn't know you felt that way.
So what you're saying to me is you didn't know I felt that way.
Yes.
Is that right?
Is that right?
Yes.
The Lord told me if I don't come up with 100,000 subscribers real quick, he was going to call me home. Wait, or was that $8 million by April 1st? If you remember that, that means you're getting old. Anyway, I need subscribers. So click that button. I'm not ready to go yet. I still have work to do. Now it's just a conversation.
Well, I mean, the reason I feel that way is because it's like if I don't initiate, it's not going to happen.
This is hard.
What's hard about it? What's hard about it? Is the game hard or the conversation hard?
I guess just the conversation, but...
We just got to talk to him. This is how we fix it.
I don't know. I just like you to initiate. I don't know. That's just...
Yeah, but if I initiate and it's not welcome, it's like tough.
That's
like
not really
total
that
rejection.
That's not that often.
I know, but it's the same. I don't want to feel like I'm getting it because I want it and not because you want it with me.
Can you say that over
I was just going to say okay. I feel better because now I see that I need to initiate sex more often so that you feels that I want to and he doesn't have to beg or push me to do it.
I feel better that maybe now you understand and will initiate more often.
The first yes or no, was there progress with this one detail?
Yes.
Either you both agree or if you don't, then it's no.
I say yes.
Jennifer?
Yes.
Okay, so you can circle yes. Okay, the next step is, was there enough progress to resolve the issue? To settle, that means you won the game.
I think so, because I mean, if she didn't understand how I felt, now she does.
Okay. So Jennifer, what do you think?
We
Sounds
can
like we
do
could
the
do the
other
next
card.
card. Okay, yes. So the answer is no.
No.
Yeah. I'll tell you what's going on here. It's really yes, but she really wants to make sure her stuff gets heard. But that's okay. That's okay. Now you heard what he has to say. Click on this link so you can hear her number one reason why she doesn't initiate sex more. And remember, I'm not ready to go. I still have work to do.